Hello everyone. Today we'll continue study fractions, and today we're going to work with problems that need to subtract two fractions. So as we learned from last video how to find least common denominator, since we're working with fractions that has unlike denominators. So in this case, we're going to work out 7/8 subtract 3/4. And what first step we have to take? Step number 1, you're right. Find least common denominator out of 8 and 4. All right, how we work out with this? Take a look at the larger denominator, which is 8, and see if it is divisible by second one. In this case, yes, and this is our common denominator. So the first fraction, we already have a denominator 8. We leave it like it is, which we multiplying by 1, just to get the same fraction. And the second fraction, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So denominator, we already have, numerator multiplying by 2. And now we're working with the part of fraction, we're subtracting numerator. So 7 subtract 6. And we have final answer. Final answer is 1/8. This is the simplest form of the fraction, and that is final answer. And here, our second example. Let's see how we can work out with this problem. So 9/10 subtract 3/4. Of course, first step, find least common denominator out of 10 and 4. So 10, it's larger, and we see it's not evenly divisible by 4, so we have to work out. So what we have to do to find multiples, right? So the next multiple of 10 is 20, because 10 times 2. And see if 20 divisible by the second denominator. Yes, it is. So 20 would be least common denominator of those two numbers. So we have 10. We need 20 multiplying by 2 this fraction, which means numerator and denominator, to get the similar fraction and equivalent fraction. So 4, we need 20 multiplying by 5. 9 times 2, 18. Subtract 3 times 5, 15. Final answer, see if it is final. It's 3/20. Yes, it is final answer. Why it's final? Because 3/20, you cannot reduce. It's simplest form of this fraction. And that's how we work out